SendPulse allows you to set up automated SMS campaigns through their Automation 360 feature. Here's a general overview of the process. You can use the link in the description to try SendPulse. Log in to your SendPulse account. Navigate to Automation 360. This is where you'll build your automated workflow. Design your workflow. Automation 360 uses a visual editor where you can drag and drop elements to create your SMS automation. Here are some key elements. The start element defines what triggers the SMS automation. Common triggers include adding a new subscriber, a specific date, or a contact interacting with a web form. The SMS element is where you craft your SMS message. You can personalize the message using variables like names or order details. You can add decision points to your workflow based on specific criteria. This lets you send different SMS messages depending on the conditions. Set the sending schedule. You can choose the exact time and date your SMS will be sent. Activate your workflow. Once you're satisfied with your automation, activate it to start sending automated SMS messages.